More vaccines are being given out every day. While healthcare workers and medical first responders are the priority right now, others are waiting for their chance to come in just a few weeks. Dennis Ting talking with one group of people, teachers, about the vaccine and whether it could mean they're closer to returning to in-person instruction.
Getting school staff vaccinated is a big step towards getting them back into the classroom, but teachers say that isn't the only thing that needs to be done. Most teachers will agree. They're ready to turn off the webcams.
I don't know a single teacher who does not want to go back into the school building.
What we do on Zoom and on NTI is really not the same. We don't get to build the kinds of relationships with kids.
An end may be in sight in Kentucky, with Governor Andy Beshear announcing teachers and school staff like bus drivers, food service workers, and custodial staff are part of the next phase of the vaccine rollout. Louisville health experts say they could start getting their shots as early as the end of January.
We can feel a little more safe doing things that used to be normal for us. So going back to school and seeing my students, that's really exciting to think about.
But not everyone is rushing to get a vaccine.
The short term I feel comfortable with, but there's no study that says, okay, what happens a year down the road? What happens 2 years down? Because we don't know yet.
Kumar Rashad, a teacher at Breckenridge Metropolitan High School, says there is also a hesitancy from some black teachers and staff when it comes to the vaccine, with the Tuskegee syphilis study less than 100 years earlier still breeding mistrust.
As a black man, I know that, knowing my history, I know that there have been several times where we as the people have been targeted as guinea pigs for this country.
Jefferson County Teachers Association says JCPS will likely not be able to require staff to get a vaccine, but even with one, more needs to be done before returning to school.
How long is it going to be before students and their families can get vaccinated? And so we're certainly concerned about them.
Dennis Ting, WHAS 11 News.